Okay, so what does ETL actually mean in data pipelines? So ETL stands for extract, transform, and load. And I like to think of this as sort of like the general plumbing of any sort of data-driven ecosystem. So first you've got the extract stage. So this is where you'll take data from an API, an SQL database, even just an Excel spreadsheet, and you basically just obtain the data. You find where the source is and where you're going to get it from, and you put a plan in place on how you're going to extract it. So the next step after that is transforming it. So once you've actually obtained the data, you'll want to apply maybe some kind of transformations to it. So this all sort of depends on what your final goal is to actually do with the data. So whether that be to visualize it, feed it into a model, or just simply process and store it. So you might want to remove columns, you may have null values that you want to get rid of. Any sort of data cleaning or just transformations in general might be something as simple as applying a square root function to a series of columns, or performing feature engineering on textual data. Whatever it is, this is essentially the stage where you would perform all of that inside the transform stage. And finally is the load stage. So this is where you will take your fully extracted and transformed data and you'll actually push it into your database, or you might push it into a machine learning model to actually use that data and go and make predictions on new incoming data. Or you might just simply store it in something like a data warehouse, for example, ClickHouse, or a big database like PostgreSQL. So why does all this matter? Well, if you get your ETL pipeline wrong from the start, then everything downstream breaks. So this is your dashboards, your analytics, your machine learning model. If you feed garbage into your pipeline, you're going to get garbage out on the other side. So it's very important that everything works perfectly at each stage. And yeah, those are the basics of an ETL pipeline. Follow for more.